Good afternoon everyone. I'm Dr. Abhishek Bhattacharya and I am pediatric dentist from Dental Cure Advanced Multi-Specialty Dental Clinic from Mumbai. And today I'll be stating 5 golden rules on how to keep your child cavity free. First of all, the first golden rule is the number of times of brushing you need to do for your child. We need to make sure the child brushes at least twice daily, once in the morning time, once in the night time. The only difference I would suggest is if the child is brushing almost regularly on the night time, what I would suggest the morning brushing should be done after the breakfast. The reason being is if the child is brushing at the night time on a regular basis, and then in the morning time the bacterial count is very low in his or her mouth. So it doesn't make any sense brushing during that time. So what I would suggest is when the child is given his breakfast or milk, whatever he eats in the morning time, the bacterial count increases after that. So make sure if you brush immediately after the meal time, then it will prevent the cavities from forming after the meal, that is he has in the morning time. Hence always remember 2 times brushing, but the morning brush should be done immediately after his or her breakfast. The second golden rule is the number of snacks you want to give in between the major meals. Usually we give our child breakfast, lunch and dinner. But since usually after school the child stays at home and they ask for snacks in between the meals, make sure that the maximum number of snacks that you can give, it could be either 2 or 3 in between breakfast, lunch and dinner. And make sure that even if you're giving the snacks, he or she should brush immediately after having the snacks. Third golden rule. Now when it comes to snacks, what kind of snacks you need to give to your child? First and foremost, you need to avoid anything sugary or anything sticky, like for example Nutella or sugary products like cookies, biscuits, cream biscuits, Lays, chips, sweetened products, colas. All these things needs to be avoided. So the question is what you can give as a snacks. I would suggest go for nuts, almonds, walnuts, badams, kajus, pistas, anything that is non-sticky and non-sugary. You can give them salads like cucumber, carrots to fill their tummy in between the meal time which they ask for, but never avoid all sticky or sugary product for as in between. Now coming to rule number 4. Most of the time kids tend to open the fridge and we keep all kinds of sodas and sweetened drinks in our fridge, and that's a big no-no. So always make sure if at all your child wants to drink something in a liquid form, always provide it with simple water and nothing else. No sweetened products, no sugary products, no cokes, no colas, no Pepsis, no fruit juices should be given in between the meal time. Next, the 5th most important golden rule to avoid cavity is how your child eats his or her food. Now usually as a busy parent, we generally tend to give our child during the meal time the mobile phones, or we switch on the YouTubes or TV and they watch while eating. Now what happens is when the child is eating while watching such cartoons or YouTubes or mobile phones, they tend to keep their food in the mouth for a very long time, or they chew very slowly. Now the problem is the chewing time should be between 12 to 15 minutes. So if your child is taking more time to eat or taking more time to chew his food, then the food is creating a kind of an acidic atmosphere in the mouth, which in turn is targeting the teeth, forming cavities. Hence make sure the eating time should be between 10 to 12 minutes max, and the child should not be watching any TV, YouTube or cartoons while eating. So let me, as a child specialist, I would like to tell you, make sure follow these 5 rules to the T so that you can prevent the cavities in your child's mouth. If you have any doubts regarding how to take care of your child's teeth, or if you have any issues or questions regarding your child's dental health, please do let me know through the link below, or you can comment me in the comment section. Thank you.